Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sounds and Haptics. Do it now. This is where vibration controls live. Once there, locate the silent switch on the side of your iPhone and note its orange indicator. That confirms silent mode. Next, find the two key toggles, Vibrate on Silent and Vibrate on Ring. You will change these to stop vibration in silent mode. Make sure to stay on the Sounds and Haptics screen so you can adjust without leaving the menu. Now turn off Vibrate on Silent. Slide the toggle left so it's gray. This directly prevents vibration when the switch is set to silent. If you want zero vibration across the device, also turn off Vibrate on Ring, but note why. Ring vibration is separate and may still trigger when not on silent. Scroll down to System Haptics and switch that off to remove subtle UI taps. This reduces background feedback and makes your phone fully quiet. Finally, test settings by flipping the silent switch and having someone call or send a message. Observe whether vibration occurs. If vibration persists, restart your iPhone to clear transient settings, power off and back on. If that fails, inspect focus modes and do not disturb. Custom schedules can re-enable haptics, and accessibility settings may override with call audio or vibration options. If you still get vibration, update iOS and, as a last resort, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.